चलो, constraint motion में we done 3 different types of cases, right? 3 different types of cases we done. Now fourth case we are doing constraint motion में. So how to find that fourth case? We are using a shortcuts. Shortcut क्या है? Work done का formula we are using. आपको any method you can use. Whenever you see, if you feel that this method is good, वो method use करने का constraint motion. There is no fixed method. आपको whichever easy we have to follow that method. Okay. So what is the shortcut method we have to follow? We are doing work done by tension force is 0 बोल के लगा रहा हूँ. Work done by tension force is 0. Work done का फॉर्मूला मालूम है ना? Force into displacement. So देखो T1 dot x1, T2 dot x2, T3 dot x3 because force is dot displacement. So on to Tn dot xn is equal to 0. Always in a pulley problems में, like suppose मान लो there is a pulley and there is a 2 blocks M1, M2. Okay, is fixed here. Okay, now iska work done is always 0. Work done is always 0 because देखो इधर suppose मान लो it is going upwards, it is going downwards. इधर क्या force and displacement are in the up direction, so force is positive, and here force and displacement are in the down direction, a negative है. So देखो force, देखो tension T, downwards is M2G, M1G, right? So a positive work, negative work दोनों cancel हो जाएगा. Total work done is 0. Derivation जरूरत नहीं है, but understand total work done in any pulley problems में total work done is 0. Okay, and if I differentiate, we'll get velocity. Displacement को differentiate with velocity, and you differentiate with velocity will gives acceleration. Okay, उसको short form में कैसे लिखेगा? Sigma t dot x is 0, sigma t dot v is 0, and sigma t dot a is 0. What is sigma means? Sum of the products. लिखो sum of the products. So whenever pulley is there, any pulley में pulley is there, इधर block है, it is going upwards, इधर going displacement मान लो. So इसका work done exactly opposite direction रहेगा. So total work done is always 0. Tension work done by tension force is always 0. On the video pronoun T1 dot x1 dot. So आपको कभी भी block and tension का कभी भी that use this formula T dot x1, T dot x2, T dot x3. You tell me when a force and displacement are in the same direction, we should take as positive Tx लिखने का. That's same. Okay. When force and displacement are in opposite direction, minus Tx लिखने का. So question में देखो whether they are acceleration, whether they are asking acceleration means use this formula. Whether they are asking velocity means use this formula. Displacement is this one. ये फॉर्मूला बहुत यूजफुल होगा. बहुत मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस आपको देखो 2 years में जो आया ना, वन क्वेश्चन केम एक्चुअली इतना साल से, वो क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन दिस वर्क डन का बेस में जेईई मेंस में. ओके, चलो ओके, कॉपीड.
यस सर.
तो दिस कॉपी करो. Whenever I'm showing the slide, directly copy करता करो. Don't listen.
Sir, x is length of string, right?
Length x is a displacement. ऊपर जा रहा है displacement. कितना displacement गया? That is the displacement. Okay. Displacement को differentiate will get velocity. Velocity को differentiate किया तो acceleration. So आपको sigma t dot x, sigma t dot v, sigma t dot a is 0. In constraint motion में you have to use. Constraint motion identify कर सकते हैं ना आपको. Movable pulley में directly you have to use. Whenever pulley is only moving, that time directly use this relationship. Okay. Chalo, we'll do the numericals based on this. Using constraint relationship, find the relation between A1 and A2. देखो ये तीनों रस्सी first block करो attach है, that is going upwards, and this block is moving downwards with acceleration. I want the relation between A1 and A2. Use the constraint relationship and try to find the, because देखो pulley is moving, is a movable pulley. We have to use constraint relationship. Okay. चलो, what are the forces acting on it? वो draw कर. देखो, this is tension T. ये same tension है, it's tension T.
So we're going to get A1 equal to A2.
देखेंगे. Why A1 equal to? कभी भी A1 equal to A2 है, no? ये movable pulley है.
No, tension will be different. My bad.
हाँ. देखो ये tension a T, this will be 2T, and this is 2T, this is also 2T. So this 2t will become 40, and this will be 40. Okay. Now since they are asking acceleration tension में दिया ना, so which one constant relationship will use? Sigma t dot a is equal 0 we are using. मतलब ब्लॉक एंड टेंशन का देखो देखो इस ब्लॉक का टेंशन का टेल में प्लस टी एट हुआ माइनस टी एट हुआ देखो फोर्स इज ऊपर एक्सेलरेशन डाउनवर्ड्स एंगल इज 180
Negative.
cos 180 is -1 so minus t a2 ओके
Plus
नाउ
40.
इस ब्लॉक देखो इस ब्लॉक में कितना टेंशन से टोटली 40 60 70
Yeah,
so
7.
force and acceleration are in the same direction so plus 40 into a1 70 right 70 into a1 is equal to 0 so t cancel so a2 is equal to 7a1 that means if a1 is a let a1 is a then a2 will be 7a so matlab he will tell to find tension that time if I know the acceleration then only I can find tension right by using Newton's laws of motion if I don't know acceleration relationship I
Sir,
cannot
how's
find
it
tension
80, sir? Won't it be 40?
देखो इस ब्लॉक को कौन सा अटैचमेंट है में ए भी अटैच्ड है ए भी अटैच्ड है ए भी अटैच्ड है तीनों तीनों आर मूविंग विद सम एक्सटेंशन राइट सो तीनों का टेंशन ऐड करना पड़ेगा ओके सो 40 प्लस 2t 60 प्लस 1t 70 ओके तो
So
ब्लॉक
would it
एंड
be
टेंशन
A2 is equal to 61A?
क्या क्या
A2 is equal to 61A.
A2 is 6.8
A2 is equal to 61A instead of 7.
नो 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 not like that ये अनुष्ठा कृषि आपको ये वाला तो टेंशन 70 into a आपको फोर्स डॉट डिस्प्लेसमेंट यूज कर दैट्स इट फोर्स दैट व्हेन दे आर इन द सेम डायरेक्शन यूज प्लस एंड ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन माइनस समझ में आ रहा है ज्योतिष आपको
Yeah, sir. Understood.
सो दिस इज नाउ दिस इज अ रिलेशनशिप नाउ इसको एक्सटेंशन पूछेगा देखो एक्सटेंशन ओके एक कॉपी सो दिस इज a this will be 7a downwards में 7a I got positive means that is our direction is right okay now देखो same question में which we got here a and here 7a right now is asking find the masses of suppose मान लो this is 1 kg block this is 2 kg block okay find the acceleration tension of different strings मुझे acceleration and tension of
And we
different
can
strings
use that rule, right? Like if you
yes
take energy downwards, you get T minus that.
use करो so उसके लिए only we have to find first step is acceleration then only we can use the net force equal to ma लगा सकते हैं okay now you apply free body diagram for this block 1 kg block separately 2 kg block separately net force equal to ma लगाओ so आ जाएगा so we got this one right before t t 2t 2t 4t 4t tell me Jyotish this इसमें what is the force acting on this 2 kg में इस block का downwards is 2g mg है ना 2g force and ऊपर tension and acceleration is downwards कितना 7a now tell me 2g minus t or t minus 2g equal to m है ना where to use acceleration direction इस तरफ है ना so this will be force positive so 2g what is the equation 2g minus t is equal to ma m is 2 into a is how much 7a so 2 into g is 10 20 minus t is equal to 14a the first equation net force equal to ma लगाने का always okay इसका इस ब्लॉक का downwards is 1g and ऊपर कितना है 70 so acceleration direction you should take as positive so क्या होगा 70 minus 1g 1g is nothing but 10 is equal to ma so 1 into a second equation now solve and get the value of tension and acceleration find करो
So will you get a fraction?
हाँ yes decimal में आ जाएगा decimal
Okay. So you'll get, oh, decimal we're supposed to tell.
Yeah, decimal answer, sir. Tension and
So tension is 1.8.
tension is
Acceleration
1.8.
1.
1.8 नहीं है, wrong.
So 9/5 is what? 9.8.
9/5 is how much? 1
1.8.
point. But 1.8 नहीं है answer. You substitute a के जगह में यार. So 20 minus t is equal to 14 times of 70 minus 10. So 20 minus t is equal to 14 7 ja 8 into 98 t minus 140. So कितना? 140 plus 20 is 160 is equal to 99 t. So t is equal to 160 by 99. So approximately it is 1.6 1.62. Now substitute that value in any of the equation, you'll get acceleration. चाहे तो calculator use करो, no problem. But tell the answer correctly. Acceleration कितना है? Substitute. Any of the equation में you substitute the tension and you'll get acceleration. चाहे तो you can use calculator. तो 1.62 लगाए तो ये separate करो, you will get answer is, I'll tell the answer, that is 1.31 meters per second square. अरे so the exam में they'll tell to find tension. आपको you have to see that these are movable pulleys. Constant motion लगाना पड़ेगा. Shortcut try करो पहले. नहीं आए तो go for the other methods. 3 cases be done, right? वो 3 cases में आ जाएगा आपको. Okay. तो नेट ब्लॉक का कभी भी नेट फोर्स इक्वल टू एम लगाने का एंड ब्लॉक का ओनली कंस्टेंट मोशन लगाने का, ब्लॉक एंड स्ट्रिंग का. ओके चलो करो देखते हैं. इसमें A1 A2 का रिलेशनशिप, इसमें A1 A2 का रिलेशनशिप लेके आओ. आई गिवन टेंशंस आल्सो फॉर यू. देखो इसमें T, इसमें T, दिस विल बी 2T. I want the just relationship between A1 A2 in this also. A T, 2T, 2T. Use the constant relation between the block and the string. Block and string वाला apply करो constant relationship.
So won't it be 3ta1 minus ta2?
No, A1 A2 का
Oh, for the
relationship
second,
है.
for the second one, second case.
What is the relation between A1 A2?
3ta1 minus
T नहीं
ta2.
आएगा A1 A2 में, मतलब A is 3 times 5 times
So 3a1 equal to a2.
हाँ yes correct. इसमें 3A1 is equal to A2.
So first one I got 2a1 is equal to a2.
Very good. A2 is equal to A1. ज्योतिष देखो, we have to, since acceleration पूछा है, we have to use the sigma t dot a is equal to 0. इसको एक्सपेंड किया तो याद है ना, फॉर्मूला याद है ना, ta cos theta. Theta is angle between tension and acceleration. Okay, so देखो here tension and acceleration in opposite direction, that's why cos 180 minus 1 आएगा. जो याद रखो always, force and displacement और acceleration दोनों opposite direction है तो minus log यूज करो. So minus 2t times a1 plus इसका tension and acceleration on the same direction plus कितना t into a2 equal 0. So t cancel, a2 is equal to 2a1. It equal to 2a1. Okay, a constant relationship. If you know the relation between a1 a2, then only further you can solve. If there's tension, you can use net force equal to ma लगा सकते हैं. अगर acceleration का relationship नहीं use किया, खत्म. ये मतलब you cannot do the tension. Okay. Second one you got a Krishna? Doing आया. इधर भी सेम रिलेशनशिप यूज करो ज्योतिष. देखो ऊपर टेंशन नीचे एक्सेलरेशन, सो माइनस टी इंटू a2 प्लस देखो ब्लॉक का, देखो ब्लॉक एंड स्ट्रिंग का, ऊपर टेंशन 3t and a भी ऊपर है, so plus 3t times a1 equals 0, so tt cancel, t cancel, so therefore a2 is equal to 3a1. देखो a2 equal to 3a1. So since the given acceleration पूछ रहे हैं, that's why you are using sigma. अगर velocity पूछेगा तो sigma t dot v equal 0 लगाने का, that's it. Okay, मैं करो फाइनल आंसर बोलने का. देखो ये मोबल पुली है, ये मूव हो रहा है, and 2 kg and 1 kg. He's telling find the acceleration of 1 kg block and find the tension of the string.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. For the 2 kg block,
हाँ.
for the 2 kg block, there won't be any mg, right?
See, 2 kg block तो mg होगा, but mg का क्या जरूरत है अभी? mg का जरूरत नहीं है. You go horizontal वाला always. Okay, what are the force acting on? Tell me. One is t, downwards is 1g. So t है, same
So
string
we
है.
get A1 equal to 2A2.
नहीं,
No, I
you
got
want
2
the value. You want the value.
Sir, how
And
is that T, sir?
t देखो, tension
Sir,
same
for 2
strength.
kg block, there won't be any mg only,
Sir,
right?
what about the other strings, sir? Sir, how can
Other is
both the
2t, right?
strings connect to one pulley?
See, this is different and this different wire, right? Different wire का tension T2, right? This is T1, T2,
Yeah.
right? T2 कितना है? देखो ये इसका acceleration, इसका tension is nothing but total 2T actor है. The T2 is nothing but 2T only here.
Sir, for
No,
the
sir, for the second pulley, like this corner
one
ka
you're telling,
pulley. Sir,
this
no, sir.
this one
that-
is one.
Sir, how is that whole thing one thing?
हाँ देखो ये वायर जा रहा है ना, ऐसा ऊपर जा रहा है, ऐसा आके ऐसा जाके ऐसा जाके जा रहा है, ऐसा इनडायरेक्टली. ओके, सेम रस्सी है, सेम रस्सी जाके इधर फिक्स कर दिया, इधर समवेयर इधर फिक्स कर दिया. ओके, मतलब
Okay.
they are not showing but they are fixed there. Okay. Now apply the tension, acceleration आ जाएगा.
I got tension as 10.
Tension as
sir,
10
for the
newtons.
2 kg block, won't the
Very good.
T be equal to 2A2? I mean, won't the T be, yeah, won't
देखो
the T be
इसका
equal to
A2 मान
2A2?
लो, इसका A1 मान लो. Tell me
Right,
relationship.
okay.
हाँ, cut only. So ज्योतिष बोलो. Here force and acceleration is in opposite direction, minus आएगा, right? So minus T1.
Yeah, sir, is tension 10 newtons.
Yes, correct. Here देखो force and acceleration are in the same direction. 2t into A2 is equal to 0.
Answer,
So-
acceleration of 1 kg block will be 0.
No, why 0? A1 is equal to,
Oh, never mind. I did a mistake.
देखो 2A2 is equal to A1, right? So अगर A1 as A ले लो, so इसका acceleration will be 2A. Now you got acceleration, right? And now try to find the freeboard diagram draw करो. Now freeboard diagram. Net force equal MA लगाओ, हो जाएगा. Calculate करो, ज्योतिष.
Sir, is A2 also 10? Like acceleration also 10?
Acceleration is not 10.
Oh, sir, I got
Okay.
tension as 10. So
Tension
I got
is
T.
sorry, tension is not 10. Tension is some other value, not 10. देखो इधर A 2A है ना. Now apply net force equal MA लगाओ. इधर क्या होगा? Net force equal to, so downwards है ना, 10 minus T is equal to MA. MA is A, first equation. इधर net force equal MA लगाओ. Net force तो एक ही है, 2T is equal to MA. So 2 into 2A. I think you forgot this one. इधर acceleration is A, right? 2A, right? 2A लगाने का.
Sir, will we
बोलो
get A1 in fractions?
A1 no, tension कितना है पहले?
Sir,
Tension how much?
first question
First,
is acceleration of 1 kg block, sir.
acceleration of answer
Sir,
fraction में
acceleration
कितना?
I'm getting 20 by 3.
Yes, correct, perfect, very good.
So it's
Okay.
tension 10 by 3.
10 by 3. Yes.
Yeah, sir, I swapped A1 and A2 twice, so I got confused.
Okay. So 2t is equal to 4a. A की जगह में substituting, so 2t is equal to 4 times of 10 minus t. So 2t is equal to 40 minus 4t. So 6t is equal to 40. So t is equal to 40 by 6 to 20. 20 by 3 Newton is the tension. If I substitute here, you will get acceleration as like 2 into 20 by 3 is equal to 4a. So 4 5 ja. So acceleration is 10 by 3 meters per second square. If I know the relationship of acceleration, then only I can find tension. आपको चेक करने पड़ेगा. Don't take simply a movable pulley है, okay, constraint motion use करने का बोल के use करो. Then only after getting the relationship ये वाला ये आ जाएगा. Okay, चलो करो ना. Now masses are given 300 grams, 200 grams, M1, M2 का, and force also given. With some force I am pulling the block. He is telling to find what? Compute the tensions of the string. देखो पुली तो मूवेबल है, आपको बहुत केयरफुल से रहने का.
Sir, can you move?
हाँ
Sir, nothing.
कर रहे हैं कर को. सो ब्लॉक तो इस तरफ मूव होगा ना. सो लगाओ A1 A2 लगा के सॉल्व करो. इज A2 A1. पहले फोर्सेस पूरा डाल दो, देन आपको चेक करो. देखो इधर फिक्स से वी आर ड्राइंग. दिस इज टेंशन टी, स्ट्रिंग है, ये भी टेंशन टी है. दिस विल बी कितना है 2t. नाउ यूज द कंस्ट्रेंट रिलेशनशिप एंड सॉल्व.
Sir, both will be positive now, sir.
व्हाई पॉजिटिव? देखो टेंशन एक्सेशन.
Okay.
So both the acceleration will act in the same direction or different direction?
Different direction, right? मतलब सी इसके एक्सेलेरेशन सेम डायरेक्शन ओनली, बट व्हेन यू आर डूइंग ये नेगेटिव में आएगा. देखो इधर फोर्स, एक्सेलेरेशन, इधर फोर्स एंड एक्सेलेरेशन सेम डायरेक्शन. सो ये पॉजिटिव है, नेगेटिव है.
So why is the acceleration on why isn't the acceleration of M1 in the opposite direction?
दिस डायरेक्शन ना.
Yeah.
देखो ये जनरली हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, देखो फोर्स इस तरफ खींच रहे हैं. When I'm pulling this one, the pulley also will come this side, right? Generally the mass also will come this direction. See, अगर कुछ डायरेक्शन, सी sometimes they will not give the direction. आपको कोई भी डायरेक्शन लगाओ, बट आंसर में फाइनल आंसर नेगेटिव आए तो इनडायरेक्टली दैट इज ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन बोल के आपको आइडिया आने का.
Yes, sir.
So can you move a little?
Find tension and force also given 0.4.
So will you get both in decimals or will you get an actual value?
Tension, huh?
Yeah,
Tension will
both,
get
both.
in decimal.
So then if you get tension decimal, automatically acceleration will also be decimal, right?
Decimal.
So okay.
So
one
which
Acceleration
acceleration are we supposed to find?
अरे A1 A2 का पहले रिलेशनशिप फाइंड करो. एक को A ले
second. I
लो.
got A1 equal to 2A2.
हाँ देखेंगे, फाइनल आंसर बोलो.
Sir, I'm getting tension as 1.2 by 7.
1.2 by 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir,
Fraction,
even I got 0. Sir, I got
fraction,
0.17 if you do the math.
tension is like 6 by 35 कुछ आ रहा है ऐसा?
Sir, I got 0.4 by
Yeah, sir,
1.4.
6 by 35 only. Same. If you simplify,
6
you
by
get
35.
1.2 by 7.
6 by 35 is answer
Ah,
tension.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
same thing.
Acceleration?
Sir, 1 second.
The acceleration of which block, sir?
See, you got acceleration of
I found
देखो A1 is
acceleration of A2.
I
It's
found
right.
A1. Okay, wait. So A2 will be 2 by 7.
2 by 7. इसका
Yeah.
पूछा है तो डबल है ना?
Sir, I got A1 as 4 by 7. So A2 will be 2 by 7.
Acceleration आया ज्योतिष आपको? You got acceleration. Apply the concept. इसका 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 both are run in the opposite direction. So क्या होगा? So minus 2t into A2 plus देखो this both acceleration tension are in the same direction plus t into A1 equal 0. So therefore A1 is equal to 2A2. अगर A2 में A लिया, this is A, this will be 2A. Now you apply net force equal to ma solve करने का, we'll get the answer. So net force इधर इधर बोलो, इसका कितना आएगा? टेल में ज्योतिष बोलो एक बार. What is the net force equal to ma? Acceleration direction में you take as positive. So what is the equation? Tell me. बोलो ज्योतिष. F minus 2t, 2t minus f. Acceleration direction is like this. So what is the answer? F acceleration direction में we should take as positive. So F minus 2t is equal to m2a. इसका इक्वेशन नेट फोर्स एक ही फोर्स फैक्टर है. सो t इज इक्वल टू m1 इंटू a इज 2a. नो आपको सॉल्व करने से यू विल गेट द आंसर एज आंसर कितना है? आई राइट द आंसर्स. a इज इक्वल टू 2 by 7 meters per second square and tension you get as 6 by 35 न्यूटन. चलो नो कैलकुलेट करो. So one more question I'll give. Try करो. There's a wall and there is a ladder. Okay. नीचे
Sir,
suppose
this
the
is
ladder
V
is
cot
slipping.
theta, sir. Sir, V not
हाँ?
cot theta, sir.
नहीं don't use all the formula. अभी देखो your after second year you will forget everything. Methods are always
No,
less
sir, in
number
the
of.
test only it came, sir.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, sir. V cot theta,
V
tan theta,
not
one of
cot
these two
theta,
things.
sir. Answer.
Okay चलो.
You
हाँ
gave
ये
one answer.
ये बार 3 meters per second से नीचे जा रहे हैं and इधर angle they given as 53 and this is 37 degrees. देखो ये वाला टेंशन है, इसका टेंशन T एंड ये वाला भी टेंशन T है. सो क्वेश्चन क्या है? इफ दिस लैडर स्लिप्स विथ 3 meters per second, इसका वेलोसिटी कितना है? ये वाला कितना होगा? दिस मान लो दिस ए, दिस बी, वीबी इज हाउ मच? आई वांट वीबी इज इक्वल हाउ मच? अगर ये स्लिप हुआ तो so here in terms of velocities are given, right? In terms of velocity, use the constant relations of velocity. Use sigma t dot v is equal to 0. ज्योतिष करो.
So the
sigma
answer is 4.
others for yes. यूज कर शॉर्टकट यूज कर रहे हैं.
Sir, that formula we just discussed today in class, sir.
Okay,
Same
okay.
thing.
Sir, I got it wrong, sir. Remember the answer.
देखो करो टी डॉट भी लगाओ. देखो इफ यू सी केयरफुली, इसका इसका ये पॉइंट में लगा रहा हूं. व्हाट इज द कंपोनेंट ऑफ टी अलोंग दिस डायरेक्शन इज टी cos 37. देखो टी cos 37 एंड 3 meters per second आर इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. सो cos 180. सो क्या होगा? माइनस टी cos 37 इंटू 3, राइट? प्लस बिकॉज समझ में है ना, बोथ आर इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन माइनस लगाने का. ओके इसका देखो what is the T and V का angle directly given 53, right? So what is the plus T V cos 53? See T dot V formula क्या है? Fs cos theta, right? Fv cos theta. So that's why cos angle between them is almost 53 equal 0. Now use करो. T cancel. Cos 37 is 4 by 5. So into 3 plus cos 53 कितना है? V into cos 53 is how much? 4/5 equal 0. 3/5 53 कितना है क्या देने वाला? 3 4 5 53 means bigger side, right? So cos 53 is 3/5. now कितना है? -12/5 37 is 4/5, right? Plus 3v/5 is equal 0. So 5 cancel. So 12. 3v is equal 12. v is equal to 4. तो मेथड से समझो, मोस्ट फार्मूलास डोंट गो फॉर इट. मोस्ट फार्मूलास अभी याद रहेगा, बट व्हेन यू कम टू द आगे चैप्टर्स में ये समथिंग रिलेशनशिप चाहिए बोल के, बट वी आर यूजिंग द कंस्ट्रेंट रिलेशनशिप. ओके, कर सकते हैं ना?
Sir, for this you can use wedge constraint now.
What wedge constraint था?
We can equate the velocities along that
मतलब
term.
नॉर्मल रिएक्शन के साथ क्यों करने का? नॉर्मल रिएक्शन मतलब
Sir,
हम
not
लोग टेंशन
normal
में.
reaction, sir.
हाँ.
We can just equate both the velocities in this direction.
हाँ,
We
yeah,
add
we can use.
and
Yeah,
then
yeah,
we'll get.
yes, we can get. Yeah, correct. Okay, चलो. Now we'll go for a wedge constraint questions का. See, wedge constraint question का नॉर्मल ब्लॉक एंड वेज का क्वेश्चन आएगा. देखो ये क्वेश्चन करो. इसमें ज्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा है अभी तक. ओके, सो नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन करो. सो देयर इज ए ब्लॉक. ओके, देयर इज वन मोर ब्लॉक हियर. Okay, they given this block is falling with some acceleration a1. Okay, and this block is moving with the acceleration a2 with the given acceleration also 3√3 meters per second square, and angle 30 degrees also they given. Angle is 30 degrees. He's telling what is the acceleration of a1. सो हम लोग वेज कंस्टेंट का क्या रिलेशनशिप यूज करेंगे मालूम है? नॉर्मल रिएक्शन का यूज करेंगे. सो मतलब सिग्मा n डॉट x इज इक्वल 0 और सिग्मा n डॉट v इज इक्वल 0 और सिग्मा n डॉट a इज इक्वल 0. वेज एंड ए कंस्टेंट में जब बिकॉज बोथ बॉडीज आर इन कॉन्टैक्ट, राइट, दैट टाइम डेफिनेटली वी कैन यूज नॉर्मल रिएक्शन का एंड एक्सेलरेशन का रिलेशनशिप. सिंस दे आर आस्किंग एक्सेलरेशन, यूज दिस रिलेशनशिप एंड सॉल्व. थोड़ा मैथ्स करने का, दे गिवन दिस वन, मैथ्स करके आपको एंगल फाइंड करके सॉल्व करने का. सो सिंस वी आर इज आस्किंग एक्सेलरेशन, यूज दिस रिलेशनशिप. सिग्मा n डॉट a इज इक्वल 0. देखो व्हेन द ब्लॉक कम्स हिट, राइट, दिस विल अप्लाई नॉर्मल रिएक्शन फोर्स एंड सेम वे दिस आल्सो विल अप्लाई नॉर्मल रिएक्शन फोर्स. ओके, ठीक है. इस ब्लॉक का मैं ड्रॉ करूंगा because I want the angle between normal action and acceleration, then only I can solve. Okay, so this block is applying a normal action like this, n. Okay, n. This angle is 90. Okay, now देखो incline and horizontal, if I draw, this is 30 degrees only. देखो incline and horizontal is 30, incline and horizontal is 30. So this is 30. This angle is how much? Because total is 90. This angle is 60. This will be 30. ये समझ में है?
Yeah.
So now tell me, acceleration तो नीचे है. I am putting acceleration like this. Now इसका what is the component? n cos 30. Now देखो both are in opposite direction. n cos 30 and a1. So that's why minus n cos 30 into a1 आया, because opposite direction में, राइट. हाँ, इसका देखेंगे. इसका नॉर्मल एक्शन इस तरह फैक्ट होगा एंड एक्सेलरेशन. कैन यू फाइंड द एंगल? दिस वन इज 90, राइट, इज 60. नाउ व्हाट इज द एंगल बिटवीन n and a? 60. सो प्लस n cos n a to cos 60 is equal to 0, right? f a cos theta, like normal
How
action,
is
right?
it cos 60?
देखो
Okay, we're
this is-
taking acceleration along.
acceleration and normal action का angle.
Okay.
Okay, because n dot a, right? A2 की जगह में सबसे n कैंसिल, cos 30 is minus root 3 by 2 A1 plus A2 की जगह में 3 root 3 cos 60 is 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Now find acceleration A1 कितना है, कैलकुलेट करो.
A1 also is root 2, 3 root 3 only.
No, wait. 2 to cancel.
Oh my sir.
A1 is
We'll get 3.
Mari by root 3. So it is minus minus cancel हो जाएगा.
So but I got plus, yeah.
3 meters per second square.
Sir, you use dot product.
Dot product only. A B cos theta. Always dot product only use करेंगे. So that's why we found some math करके आपको cos देखो ऊपर और नीचे angle is cos 180, right? Cos 180 is minus 1. That's why minus. So याद रखो, whenever we do work done also, when force and displacement are in the same direction, plus आएगा work done, and opposite direction minus आएगा. Again, no need of doing 180 नहीं लगाने का. Okay? ठीक है, करेगा, करो, नहीं करो, simple. The block, the relation between the velocity of the rod, u से गिर रहा है, and that of wedge. Wedge is moving this direction with velocity v. So relationship चाहिए. Use the constant relationship and find. आपको एक शॉर्टकट बोलूंगा, वो भी यूज कर सकते हैं ऑलवेज. Whenever wedge and the rod वगैरह गिरेगा, कभी भी याद रखो, component of velocity or acceleration perpendicular to the contact surface of the two objects is always equal. इसका देखो, the components of velocities, आपको components निकालो which is perpendicular to surface. इस surface का perpendicular वाला velocities if you equate rod का and wedge का, दोनों velocity will be equal.
So V is
Okay.
equal to U cot theta.
You caught it, ना?
Yeah.
देखेंगे यहाँ कर ले. This will formula you're telling, right?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you'll get V sin theta is equal to U cos theta. And then
ये sentence समझो always, the component of velocity and acceleration perpendicular to the surface of contact. देखो, you know this one, this is theta, this is 90, this is 90 minus theta, this is theta. So what is the perpendicular component क्या होगा? इसका perpendicular component is U cos theta.
Yeah.
There is a perpendicular. This is the इस component के along we have to find the velocities, all velocities. And V का देखो, this is theta, this is also theta. So what is the component velocity perpendicular वाला?
V cos theta.
V cos theta is like this, right? V cos theta is like this. V cos theta. Okay. Now क्या आएगा? V cos theta V sin theta लेने का टेल में. This आपको wedge का perpendicular component we should take. So V का इस तरफ component क्या होगा? तो मैं आपको परपेंडिकुलर कंपोनेंट लेने का, परपेंडिकुलर कंपोनेंट देखो, इधर तो आपको विच वन, ये सरफेस से परपेंडिकुलर लिया ना, ये सरफेस से परपेंडिकुलर लिया, यू का हो गया. नो वी का इस सरफेस का परपेंडिकुलर लेने का, यू आर टेकिंग अलोंग द प्लेन, नॉट वी शुड नॉट टेक अलोंग द प्लेन, इसका कंपोनेंट लेने का. सो दैट इज वी sin थीटा. सो इफ आई इक्वेट, देखो वी यू cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू वी sin थीटा, यू इज इक्वल टू वी tan थीटा आएगा. यू चाहिए ना, यू इज वी tan थीटा आएगा. If you use normal action also same thing you'll get, nn get cancel. देखो n u cos theta, n v cos theta cancel, nn cancel, you'll get the same thing. Okay. So but always remember wedge and this one में perpendicular component का जो भी velocities होने दो, acceleration होने दो, दोनों equal है. Always. खत्म. By this you are complete, constraint motion done.
So wait, sir, I didn't understand.
Tell me, क्या doubt है इसमें?
No, my sir, got it.
Perpendicular component of two, मतलब rod का perpendicular component of the velocity and the wedge का perpendicular component of the velocity should be equal. So rod का if you see u का बारे में देखेंगे, u का perpendicular component कैसा रहेगा? I got by using this, ये आता ना आपको, this theta, a वाला u दिया ना, this is a perpendicular component. So मैं क्या करूँगा? This 90 minus theta, this is theta. So u का इस तरफ component will be u cos theta, right? U का इस तरफ component is u cos theta. This is a perpendicular component, right? This is surface से perpendicular component ये वाला u cos theta. That's why u cos theta ले लिया. Now v का देखो, v का separate calculate करेंगे. This is v, right? मुझे इस surface से perpendicular component नहीं है ना ये वाला. I want to calculate the component which is perpendicular to this surface. This is theta. What is this component is v cos theta, and इसका perpendicular component is v sin theta. देखो कांटेक्ट से परपेंडिकुलर वाला ये वेलोसिटी है, एंड कांटेक्ट से परपेंडिकुलर कंपोनेंट इज u cos theta is there. So दोनों इक्वेट कर रहे, दोनों इक्वल ऑलवेज. So when you equate, you will get u is equal to v tan theta. Okay, माना understood? Yes. So this completely आपको कंस्ट्रेंट मोशन डन. हम लोग स्प्रिंग का कैलकुलेट करने वाला है, वो हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास किया तो अच्छा है. स्प्रिंग एंड
Okay, sir.
दिस वन मिनट.